نن لیکچر کې مونږ چې کوم پرون ویلي وو چې کله په ریپورټینګ ورب زموږ سره پاست راشي پاست ټینس کې راشي لکه فار ایگزامپل سیډ نو په هغه کې باید ټینس هم چینج کېږي او پروناون به ایز پر رول چینج کېږي لکه فار ایگزامپل هی سیډ I go out for a walk in the morning دلته چې موږ انډایرکټ جوړو نو هی سیډ کامه په دې به دیټ راشي دیټ I به چینج according to the subject he go به چینج شي went ته ولې ځکه چې go present indefinite tense دی نو دا به past indefinite ته چینج شي د go second form went دی so he went out for a walk in the morning she said I am going for a walk to the river she said that I will change according to the subject she am going the present continuous tense that will change past continuous so she said that she was going for a walk to the river she said I have taken the ball she said that she had वजह कैसे છે have the had जोड़ेगी यानी the present perfect ना past perfect जोड़ेगी she said that she had taken the ball they said we went to zoo on our bicycle no that tense چې دی نو زموږ سره past independent دی we went to zoo نو موږ ویل چې past independent به past perfect ته چینج کېږي they said